Graceful made a difference for us because there were a lot of PhD students and postdocs that came to work in our group here in ISTER. And we are not used to that. So during a short time, there were just a group of young people working together. And it was very nice for them first, and also for us, obviously. It came that we had other big projects, and all the projects, they work together. I mean, there is a TEIA project of David Sebron, who is working on topographic torques, dissipation of rotation in the moon, and that's related to the Graceful project. And there is a 40 years project of Nicolas Agilé. That's the same. It is about geomagnetic data, the construction of geomagnetic models, how to use in the best way possible data obtained from the SWARM mission of ESA. What was important for Graceful also was timing, because I think it helped a lot at a time when we have to quit our flats where we were left during the COVID era. And I have this anecdote about Ilya Firshov, a PhD student, that when he first came to a Graceful meeting in Toulouse, was so happy to see that it was just possible to see people in real time, to discuss with them, to stay, to have a walk in the street of Toulouse after a nice dinner. And he suddenly realized that the life of scientists, maybe it's not only staying behind a desk, but that's also meeting other people. So it was very nice to see him happy this way. Otherwise, Graceful put together different cultures. In my personal case, the main discovery was the work with the group of Annie Cazenave, because she works with the Magellan Society. So they have contracts. She tells them, I am willing to do progress on this field, I give you this money, and then there is an engineer working during 3-6 months on that topic, and at the end, the engineer has to deliver a report. That's not at all the way we work, usually, in the universities. But it was nice to put together these different ways. And I have appreciated a lot working with these people. And also, they made us discover questions that we did not know. I mean, I am working in the field of geomagnetism, so I know the limitation of geomagnetism. I know that because of electrical currents in the ionosphere and the magnetosphere, our models have a poor time resolution, that we cannot investigate anything that has periods less than 1 or 2 years. So you have to be a specialist of geomagnetism to understand that. That's the same for hydrology or the study of the atmosphere. It depends on the way you measure. Sometimes I remember that you compare different ways to measure the same thing. It doesn't work perfectly. What is the reason? And you understand that's the instrument. And that was the case of these people working with Annie Cazenave, because since they work on projects, I mean, they had a project with Annie Cazenave, but they had other projects using the same instruments with other scientists, and they can cross-fertilize what they do in one field to the other field.